Would you like to know about the MIS program of Divine Cosmetic Surgery? I think that would be really interesting because that tells you why we are a little different from other clinics. Keep watching. My name is Dr. Amit. I'm a plastic surgeon with an extensive experience in hair transplant and other plastic surgery procedures. Now, what is MIS? The Management Information System. How does that benefit the patient? Now, we've created this system, we've developed this system in-house, and Pooja is my coordinator who looks after the FMS program. So FMS is a part of the entire MIS system. Now, let me take you over some of the steps of the FMS. Now, the flowchart management sheet or the FMS starts right at the inquiry level. So we've got patients who inquire with us either through the website or through calls or WhatsApp, and their names are then entered onto the FMS system. So we've got an inquiry FMS, and then certain protocols need to be followed with them, which have to be sent to Pooja so that she maintains that checklist. And unless that checklist is filled, the person who's handling the calling, his or her job is not complete. So she gets after them to ensure that she follows the proper protocols with them. Once a patient comes in for a consult, then there are certain protocols need to be followed at the consult time, even after the consult, how the payments are to be done. So all those are checklisted, and she maintains that checklist, and no consult process is over till all those checklists are filled. Now, what that does is it takes away human error. It makes it automated. The beauty of the system comes during surgery and post-surgery follow-ups. On the day of the surgery, suppose it's a hair transplant or a liposuction or any procedure, there are certain checklists and certain flowcharts that we've created which need to be mandatorily filled before we do a procedure, and that ensures there is no human error and all systems are perfectly followed. All those systems have been created by me. So I know what a patient needs to go through, what are the tests, anything, the payments, for example, everything is created by us in-house, and she is able to monitor all that. Now, the biggest difference that we see is in the patient follow-up. Now, you see this chart, there's white color, there's green, there's red, yellow. What does that mean? Suppose I've had a hair transplant today, so my name would automatically come, and we've kept turnaround time, stats for each follow-up. Now, the patient automatically gets his or her dates of follow-up as soon as the surgery date is entered, and we have a team, a CRM team, which calls up the follow-up patient on those designated days and time. Now, for example, if a person is supposed to be called today at a certain time, the white column will automatically turn green that day. Then, for example, if that call has not been done, for example, if the call was to be done at 12 o'clock, it's not been done, it will turn red. What that tells the person who's supposed to be making the call, they are able to see this sheet on their system as soon as they put the filter of their name. The entire sheet with their calls comes onto their program, and they then know, okay, I've missed this call, let me do it immediately. Now, why do they want to do it immediately? Because any delay that they do is automatically recorded and their weekly scores come down. And we all work on a scoring system where we do measure. So we believe that measurement derives behavior. And as we are measuring how the person, my own CRM team, is handling the people based on this automated process, it decides their scores at the end of the week. So you see, we've tried to raise the process of hair transplant or plastic surgery to a corporate level, and that is basically going to benefit every patient. So if you've liked what this new concept, if you've liked what you've seen, subscribe to this channel, and you can get in touch with me or you can WhatsApp me on 9811994417. Once again, I'm Dr. Amit. I'm a plastic surgeon.